We'll guide you through how to add Blackbox AI in VS Code. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. People search for this tutorial because they want to integrate Blackbox AI directly into Visual Studio Code for faster coding. Many developers look for simple installation steps to avoid configuration errors. This guide helps them install the extension correctly and start using AI assistance inside their coding environment efficiently. To begin this tutorial, click Google Chrome on your home screen to open the browser and wait until it fully loads on your computer. Once the browser is ready, click Search on your Google Chrome by selecting the address bar at the top of the window so you can type a website address. Next, type blackbox.ai carefully into the address bar to access the official website. Then, press Enter on your keyboard to begin loading the site. Once finished, you will automatically be taken to the Blackbox AI website homepage. Next, click Home in the upper right corner to make sure you are on the main page of the site. Then, click Sign In the upper right corner to begin the login process. Enter your email address in the field provided, making sure you type it correctly and completely. Then, enter your password in the field provided carefully to avoid any typing mistakes. Click Login to enter your account, and wait until the dashboard appears fully on your screen. After logging in successfully, look for the VS Code option on the page and click VS Code to view the integration details for Visual Studio Code. A page will appear showing information about installing the extension. Then, click Install to begin the installation process for the Blackbox AI extension. The system will redirect you to the appropriate installation page. Next, click Open Visual Studio Code to open your Visual Studio Code application directly from the browser. Wait until Visual Studio Code launches completely on your computer. Click Install to begin the installation inside the application. Wait patiently while Visual Studio Code downloads and installs the extension. Once complete, Blackbox AI will be automatically added to your Visual Studio Code.